Natural selection is one of the most important concepts in modern biology. Populations are always under selection pressure. This selection pressure could take the form of a predator that attacks a population of rabbits. Rabbits are less adapted if they have brown fur. However, mutations could cause the rabbits to have white fur. Those rabbits with white fur, they will reproduce faster and they are under less selection pressure. With time, the population of rabbits will evolve to have white fur. So now the population is better adapted and we say that the population of rabbit has evolved. To summarize, organisms are always under selection pressure. Mutations may be successful, like the mutation of having spots that look like the eyes of an owl to scare off predators. Now, those butterflies will reproduce fast and the allele for spots will be more frequent in this population. That's what we call a change in allele frequency, and that's the modern definition of evolution. Natural selection happens much faster in a population of bacteria. The selection pressure will take the form of an antibiotic. Antibiotics kills bacteria. However, due to the rapid reproduction in bacteria, mutations are more likely to occur. In a population of bacteria, the antibiotic will kill those bacteria that don't have the successful allele for antibiotic resistance. On the other hand, those bacteria that do have this allele will reproduce rapidly and we'll end up with a population of bacteria that have the antibiotic resistance. In this example, the antibiotic is the selection pressure and the advantageous allele is the antibiotic resistance.